This brush is so good for putting liquid clear on. That went on really well. Bit of Indian yellow on the brush. Let's go right sort of around here. Just have that blending off. We got phthalo green and phthalo blue. Let's just mix them together. There we go. That's it. I think I'm only going to use 1 or 2 more colours in this one tonight. Just same brush, still got yellow on it, it doesn't matter. Load this up. Well, I'm going to do this everywhere. Make sure you got all that covered. There we go. Oh, I'm going to go into this white, okay? What kind of sky? Shall I do some northern lights? Let's go like this. We can do, I like to do a little flick up here of stuff. Just a little one here. Let's just add some little things here. Some little sparklers. I'm going to stay in that yellow down here and then go back to that green up there. Just pull this anyway there. Yes. Let's pull this up now. Add a little bit more around here. Don't do it too hard, you can leave some bright spots. There we go. I'm going to pull some of this down here. We'll start around that. So I want to bring a little bit of that colour down, so I'm just going to trying to get some of that in there. Something like that, I think. I'm going to come down to about sort of this area. Get them down. Just pull this down. Doing it quite hard. Right, here we go. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna put some land in and stuff. Yes. We're gonna put some land in. Oh, look at Bob's little curl. He's got a little curl there. I'm on the last bit of my black, I think. There we go. Let's mix that all together. Right, let's just add a little tiny bit of white into some of that there. That's going to be used for some distant stuff, maybe some highlights, some trees. Fan brush, go into this colour here. We're just going to do a little tree line. Let's just do a little line. We'll do a little bit of land that goes across here. Maybe there's a hill there. There is now. Do some little lifty up trees here. So just by pulling up, we can do all these little tiny trees in the background. Want to light the colour of that. Get it on the end of the knife. And we're just scratching a little water line. Some little things that you can see over there. Just all this dark down here. All these. There. This is just a 1-inch brush. Just a 1-inch brush. Fill all this up down here. There we go. Going around, maybe just a little bit of land going around there. All them little things happening off that brush. The black, the green, a little bit of white. It's gonna have some trees. Just come back and I I'm just doing the outline with the brush, and then let's have a big sort of a meaty one there. This one is coming down. It lives down here. This one. We have that one down here. Added a lot of thinners to this paint, so hopefully this should glide quite nicely. We've got this little tree here. Has a little broken stump or something. Maybe we'll just leave that one as sort of kind of a little broken one, you know, with the brush, and then as you come away, least pressure will give you them sort of smaller things going on. And we'll just tap a few little. Just put a little bit of colour down here, look. And then we can just sort of just double it out a little bit. Come back in there later and put some grasses near it. I am gonna do a deer, okay, because I've done one before. I'm gonna do a little deer. Just put some hints of stuff. I don't want this to be much of a different colour, so that's okay, that's nice. This will change the feel of this down here. It's nice, it's nice. So if I want his head about there, then his body's going to be about here. We're going to go like this, maybe a little hump, his little bottom, something like that. This would be the neck. Round that off, and I've got to get some legs coming out of there, and then towards that way. Ooh. His head come up to about there, just round that off, and we're going to do some ears, some little ears, because there's a straight line through there like that. We're going to do this. Okay, I can rest my hand on this. One there. Being careful not to get too much paint. And we've got a few that sort of come out here. Oh yeah, he's on it. There. Same brush earlier. Yeah, let's just bring that up. So now he's sort of sitting on that. Easy like that, see? Just bring some of that out there. Lift that up there. Just so he's sort of nested a little bit sort of in there. That's better. Right, here we go. What is this going to be named? Emerald Dream. There's my signature. There's the painting. Look at that steam train coming through. That's amazing, June. Thank you so very, very, very much. Thank you, June. Honestly, love it. Thank you. Beautiful gift from a beautiful person. Thank you. I can't stop making sound effects. I didn't really stop talking.